See, every price movement, whether it's pump or dump, whether it's deep or buy, right, is engineered. I will explain to you why. Watch this video to the end. In the recent week, a lot of people have been saying that they have seen shake in crypto. Crypto have done them bad thing, right? But the thing is that there is nothing that crypto did to you. It's just like maybe it's your emotion that gets you into it, right? I'm not trying to judge you, but watch this video to the end. Look at this coin. Look at this coin. This is ZRO USDT. All right. They released this coin here, and the price started going up. When they release this coin here, there are people that want to buy this coin. As the price is going up, there are people that want to buy it. Right? They bought the coin. They might have, because when they release it, you might not know. When they list it, you might not know. After after they have listed it, then it can be available for you to buy. All right. Then you bought it. The price started going up. You bought it around let's say $7, right? The price started going up. You want it to reach like $10 for you to take your profit. Right? That's what those people know. Now the price reached $7. The price reached $7 at this point, or $7.3, right? And started going down. Now the price started going down. It started looking for more buy so that it can reach like $10. Then all of a sudden you see that the price has been dipping since then. Now a situation where you buy $100 here, you did not take profit here, right? Your $100 will come down. It will start coming down to this point. You see that your money is close to zero. All right? You see that your money is close to zero. Now tell me, when will this price go back up from here? Since the price has been coming down, since the market has been coming down, when do you think it will go up to that amount to even break even to the point where you bought it? Right? Those are the emotions that these people they use to manipulate us and take money from us, because they know that people like to buy into hype. Right? A new phone come out and everybody want to buy, so they know those kind of people. But you need to, if you want to win in this, you need to play the game outside of their thinking. Like it's outside of other people's thinking, not outside of their thinking, because it's something that's engineered, right? It's not something that you can change. But for you to win the game, you need to play it outside of other people's thinking, right? Now, you see that this coin has been coming down. You, as a smart trader, will you buy it? Are you going to buy this coin as it's coming down? For me, I will not buy this coin as it's coming down, because I have to follow the market trend, right? Trend with the trend. Trend against the trend for me is like, it's a sin, right? Trend with the trend. I'll be looking for sell opportunity. How do I look for sell opportunity? Watch this. Now, if you go to a lower time frame, let's say a daily time frame, all right? If you go to a daily time frame, now there's areas where the price break out. There's areas where the price break out. See here, this area price break out from here and come down, all right? Then went up and created an inducement. You see this area it broke out from. See this area the price broke out from. He later came back to that area and touch it and start coming down. Price break out here as well. Price break out from here as well. Let me use this one as illustration. Price break out here as well. All right? Price break out here as well. What did the price do? Price went back to that area, it broke out and start coming down, which engineered to this level now. All right? Now, this mechanism is a repeated pattern, right? It's not something that you need to be a venture capitalist or you need to have a lot of money in your account to find. All right? You just need to have the minimum. I used to start this trading. This crypto trading is $50. All right? I just found it on my, if I'm trading BTC, I found it on my broker. But if I'm trading all these pairs, I found it on Binance, right? Not MERS, not Bybit. Right? I choose between Binance and Bybit because they have their larger liquidity. So if I see it on the chart, I'll show you how I'll get this analysis now and how I'm going to find it on the chart, right? Watch this video. Now look at this website. I go to know the token unlock, the token that they're unlocking. Right now, look at this ZRO, right? This ZRO. Now, now big unlock, right? This when they're unlocking it, they're unlocking it in 3 days, all right? And they are releasing about 7.9%. The value of the coin they're dropping is about 7.86% of the coin. They're going to release it into the market, right? That means the smart money are going to trade. Now, if you go to this coin, if you go under here now, you see that these guys have been releasing this coin often and on, right? Like every month. Let the chart load up. Now, if you check this notable cliff unlock, right? Notable cliff unlock. These are previous events. I don't have the premium version. I would have gotten more of it, right? See that they have been releasing this coin 25.7 million ZROs, which is about 10.28%, right? They have been releasing it every month. And if they release it, they will buy it. If they release, they will buy it. It's like they are selling it lower, right? And buying it. They are selling it higher and buying it lower. So most of the time they release it, they buy more. These people they send the coin to. Now, when you get this thing, when you get that they are releasing this coin, all right? And we can check this every month. When you get that they are releasing this coin, you come back to the chart. All right, look for this repeated pattern. Find area where the price are broken, like here now. Area broke from the market break from here. Like here, the market broke from here. All right, the market break from here created this level, and also there's also a break here. It means that within these areas, within these two areas, the price will likely go back. You see that the price later come back here. See that the price will come back here now and touch it. All right. See that price will come back here and touch it, and it's going down. All right. Then you have to put your profit below here because the market will keep dipping from this point. All right. As simple as that. So you find that repeated pattern. If you check well, this is what the price have been doing. The market reach here, the market break, came back here and touch it, right? Came back here as well and touch it. Came back here and touch it. It's like a sniper entry. See that market break below here as well. Now it have come back here and touch it, right? That's as simple as that. You can take your profit at least 3 times of your risk so that you make profit, right? So that's the repeated pattern to find these opportunities over and over again, right? But now it's not just about going here to trade. I've shown you the strategy, right? I've shown you the currency pair to trade. Now it comes down to how you think about it. You are going to the market to look for a sell opportunity, which is completely right, all right? But there's factors that affected me when I started. The greed, right? Since I've known what these guys are doing, I have to make a lot of money from it, right? I started looking for $5 to put into trade and to turn it to ridiculous amount, right? Then you start trading too many pairs. Since you have found if you have found where they usually drop it, then you go there and start looking for too many pairs to trade, right? Those are the psychological factors that will affect you. But here is how you can deal with it. The first is, if you want to develop confidence on this trading method, right? Buy a premium app. The app I use for my backtesting is TradingView. So find one coin, backtest this method I showed you, right? Backtest it, replay it on the chart to know if you can spot it over time. You can do it like 10 of them. All right, then go back to this website, that token unlock. Find a pair. You can find at least 4 or 5 in, okay, let's say 10 in a month, right? 10 in a month. You analyze it, keep it, right? Wait for price to reach that level to do its thing. So if you trade 10 in a month, it will be okay. If you trade 5, it will be okay, right? You don't need to trade plenty pairs. So you don't need to trade plenty pairs every month to be profitable, right? Then take at least 3 times of the amount you put, or 3 times of the amount the price will drop, right? That's it, as simple as that. So you don't want to be like all these people that buy coin now, $3, they're waiting for you to reach $10. No, you know how much, you know the risk to reward you want. Some people they choose 2, some people they choose 3. All right, put it 300%. You okay, you move on. Go to the next one, 300% is okay, you move on, right? Sometimes you lose too, because not all of them that will, sometimes some of them can be on drawdown, right? Some of them can be on drawdown. Then you have to wait for market to get to your level, or for market to get to you, all right? That's basically how to trade, as simple as that. Now, control your emotions like fear, greed, and frustration, right? That's how you can go around and play the game like smart monies, right? Because they sell into our emotions, right? They sell into our emotion and buy it when we are feeling, when we are fearing that the market is going to drop more, right? That's basically it. I hope this makes sense to you, guys. I created a trading guide for beginners. If you're a beginner in crypto or forex trading, I created a guide for you, completely 100% everything you need to know. And also join my Telegram channel. That's where I post my trade updates. You'll be able to see everything I do and how I trade, right? I hope this makes sense to you. Share your thoughts on the comment, and please share this video to your friends so that they will learn. I'll see you on the next one.